Hi, I'm John Trischler from Specialty Performance Parts, and today we've got our 2021 Ford Raptor, and we want to introduce the new SRL rear light kit for the 21 Raptor. Of course, we had the SRL rear light kit available for the 2017 through 2020 model, but now we've made a few changes so that everything works perfectly with the new model. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what you think. So here are our SRL lights turned on with the switch for our 2021 Raptor. And you can see they give you plenty of light here behind the truck for backing up. You get some additional light there. So they do make a huge difference. All right, and here you see when the switch is turned off, when the headlights are on, the marker lights, the parking lights, they're going to be tied in with our taillight adapter to that circuit. So they'll be lit up with the backlight red when everything else is off. Now in the daytime, when all your parking lights and marker lights are off, then they're also going to go off. But they're going to be tied in that sequence. So this is what they look like here at night. And let's go ahead and lock and unlock our doors, and I can show you how that sequence works with this circuit as well. All right, so here we are again at the back of the truck. The truck's off. We've got our key fob here, and when we unlock the doors, you can see those SRL rear lights are going to kick on their backlight along with the parking lights and the marker lights. From that power from the taillight adapter. And then when we lock our doors, they're going to go back off. So everything is integrated in with this system. Another cool thing, you see that they just pop back on again, about these new Raptors, and probably the other F-150s as well. When you get within proximity of the truck, you don't even have to touch the key. It just kicks on, unlocks the doors for you, and kicks on your parking lights, marker lights. You'll see that happen as well when you walk up close to it. You actually don't even have to touch the key. All right, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Visit us at SPVparts.com for this light kit and many other things for your new Raptor. And if you don't see what you're looking for, don't worry. We've got a lot of new stuff coming. We can't get it all out at once, but feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email with questions. We'd love to hear from you. We'll see you next time.